Business idea. Making educational fabric books for children. Step-by-step profitable guide. Step 1. Research the market and target age group. Start by analyzing the growing demand for educational fabric books for children, especially for babies and toddlers aged 0 to 5 years. Parents, Montessori schools, and daycare centers prefer soft, safe, and interactive learning books that support early brain development and sensory learning. Step 2. Select learning themes and content. Choose educational themes suitable for young children, such as alphabets and numbers, colors and shapes, animals and daily routines, moral values and basic life skills, sensory activities for motor skill development. Well-planned content makes your fabric books both educational and engaging. Step 3. Source child-safe materials. Use high-quality, non-toxic, and washable materials, including cotton or felt fabric, soft foam or padding, Velcro, zippers, buttons, child-safe. Strong stitching threads. Safety and durability are key selling points for educational fabric books. Step 4. Design interactive fabric book pages. Design colorful, interactive pages using textured fabrics, flip-open flaps, detachable learning pieces, 3D shapes and mirrors. Interactive elements improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and cognitive development. Step 5. Create prototypes and test with children. Develop sample fabric books and test them with children or parents to receive feedback. This helps improve page layout and size, learning flow, safety and usability. Testing ensures a high-quality final product. Step 6. Price your educational fabric books. Calculate production costs, including materials, labor, packaging, and marketing. Since fabric books are handmade and reusable, they can be priced as premium educational products. Offer single books, learning sets, customized name books. Step 7. Build an online presence. Sell your products through Instagram and Facebook shops, Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or Shopify. A simple SEO-optimized website. Use targeted keywords to rank for searches related to fabric books for kids. Step 8. Market using SEO and social media. Promote your business with SEO-optimized blog posts, reels and short videos, parenting and education groups, influencer collaborations. Strong digital marketing increases brand visibility and trust. Step 9. Offer customization and bulk orders. Provide personalized designs for baby gifts, schools and daycare centers, Montessori learning kits. Customization increases customer loyalty and profit margins. Step 10. Scale and expand the business. As demand grows, expand by hiring skilled artisans, introducing new themes and age levels, exporting through online platforms. With consistency and quality, this business can grow into a recognized educational brand.